Salutes up, family. Well, this is going out to the city of Flint, all my brothers and sisters, and all my associates and people I grew up with. Most people don't bring nothing back to Flint that can help build Flint as far as for black folks. Well, what I'm bringing back to y'all will help you do that. All I'm asking for y'all to do, I know y'all got your income taxes coming back, and I know some of y'all working and some of y'all hustling and whatever, legal ways and illegal ways. But what I like to let you know is all you have to do is save $1,000 in your bank account, and make sure you have a bank account. Credit union, I would suggest you have a credit union over a bank. But if you have a bank account, that's fine as well. But save $1,000 because the information I'm about to we are about to present to y'all could put you on a level that you will never have to want for nothing ever again. And that's a fact. I'm gonna leave this short and sweet, and that's all I can request. Just save $1,000. You may not even have to use the whole $1,000, but it's good to have a cushion because you may have to get some equipment as far as for yourself. As far as your skills, sharpen up your skills and whatever God-given gift He gave you with. If you don't know what your skill is, start meditating on it to find out what your skills. It may be a service, it may be a product. Far as the ones that don't come up with nothing, far as a product or service, don't worry about it. We got you too. Like I said, keeping it short and sweet, and all we request of you is just save $1,000, and it's gonna make so much sense to you once you see what we're gonna what we're gonna present to y'all to help build. As far as I'm concerned, what I see, you know how they got Amazons in every city, and sometimes 2 or 3 buildings in every city. Well, guess what? You you have an opportunity to be a part of the Black Amazon. Listen what I tell you. You have an opportunity to be part of the Black Amazon in a big and major way. Who support Amazon? Now, if you have a Black Amazon, who you think they're gonna support? Exactly. All right, and that's all I got to say for today. Keep your heads up, stay focused, and read. Peace.